Getting a real job. Hello and welcome. Welcome to Input English. In a previous video, I talked about summer jobs and child labor laws. I explained how I had my first experience with a job mowing lawns. In this episode, I want to talk about my first real job. My first real job was in the summer after graduating high school. My parents did not want the kids working during the school year because they didn't want us to neglect our studies. So my first opportunity to work in a real job and get a paycheck was right after I graduated high school and before I was to go to the university. I had several months, and a friend of mine told me that he had just gotten a job at the city hospital in the cafeteria food services portion of that hospital. So, based on the information he gave me, I went down there and put in an application, and they hired me. The wages back then were not high, and so I was paid a little more than $2 an hour to work in food services. I showed up and was escorted back to the area where the dishes were washed. Now, this hospital was relatively large, so the hospital served a lot of meals, and after each meal, the dirty dishes would come down to food services and need to be washed and stacked and prepared for the next meal, because they served 3 meals a day in that hospital, plus some special meals as needed. The workers in the dish room were young males, teenagers, early 20s. This was unskilled labor, and it was a very diverse workforce in the dish room. What we were tasked to do was not very difficult. The dishwasher was a gigantic machine with the letters Hobart written on the side of it, and the dishwasher generated a lot of heat. So when we were running the dishwasher, it got kind of hot and we got sweaty. My job during that summer was washing dishes, stacking the clean dishes, but also retrieving the carts from the floors that had the dirty dishes, and then later taking the food up to the floors in the same carts so that that food could be distributed to the patients on the floors. This option of delivering the food to the floor and retrieving the dirty dishes in these carts was a very desirable assignment because it got us out of the hot, sweaty dish room, and it also allowed us to talk to other people working in the hospital. I worked at that job for nearly 3 months, and then it was time to go off to college. I had put my money into savings, and then the question was, what should I use that money for? Should I just leave it in savings? What should I do? I talked to my parents about that, and what we decided was that I should go shopping and buy some clothing that I would like to wear in college. So with the money I had earned in that hospital job, I went to the department store and looked at the various clothing options and bought some shirts and some pants and various items that I would need to wear in college. I look back fondly on that time working as a dishwasher in a hospital. It was my first job. It was my first experience having an employer, a boss, a manager, and coworkers in a workplace. It was a very positive experience. When I worked as a dishwasher in a real job, I made a lot more money than I had made just mowing lawns. But I had learned in previous years to save my money and use it wisely. And that pattern repeated itself because I had saved up the money from the summer and used it to buy the clothes that I would wear in college. That's the end of this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. I invite your comments below. I hope you join us in future videos. See you soon.